Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to Tech Insight Hub, the place where we unravel the future of technology. It's a world that's ever evolving, full of surprises, and we're here to take you on a journey through it all. From the latest in smartphone technology to the smart home devices that are redefining our lives, we'll be diving headfirst into the heart of innovation. We'll be unboxing the mysteries of the most exciting gadgets, gizmos, and tech trends that are shaping our world. We'll also be giving you hands-on demonstrations and detailed reviews on all things tech. We're not here to just scratch the surface, we're here to explore the depth of technology's potential. So whether you're a seasoned tech wizard, a curious beginner, or just someone who loves staying up to date with the coolest tech trends, you're in the right place. I'll be your guide on this adventure, bringing you comprehensive reviews, hands-on demonstrations, and in-depth insights into the most exciting tech on the market. Picture this, a world where your smartphone is not just a communication device, but a tool that integrates seamlessly into your daily life, making everything from shopping to socializing a breeze. Imagine a smart home that not only provides comfort and security, but also learns and adapts to your lifestyle, making your day-to-day life easier than ever before. And let's not forget about wearables. These tiny tech marvels are revolutionizing health and fitness, giving us unprecedented control over our well-being. And for the gamers out there, we're diving into the latest gaming gear, exploring the immersive worlds these technologies can transport us to. So whether you're a tech aficionado or just curious about the future, we're here to explore it all. From smartphones to smart homes, wearables to the latest gaming gear, we've got it all covered. But this channel isn't just about the tech, it's about you, the community. We're not just sharing our insights on the latest gadgets and gizmos, we're creating a space for conversation, for shared curiosity, for the collective thrill of what's to come. And you play a crucial part in that. Your thoughts, your questions, your excitement, it all shapes the lifeblood of this channel. Whether you're intrigued by the latest smartphone specs, have a burning question about quantum computing, or want to share your excitement for the next generation of gaming consoles, we want to hear from you. It's your engagement that truly brings our content to life, and it's your enthusiasm that fuels our passion for all things tech. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join our ever-growing family of tech enthusiasts. Get ready to unravel the future with us.